JBN, we keep you informed. I am Michelle Jones, and in the news, police heightened presence in the Kingston West Division after Christmas Day murders. The Kingston West Police Division has named Preston Evan, otherwise called Zazu, and Dennis Mundell, otherwise called Ginseng, as wanted, as lawmen intensify patrols in the Rosetown area following two murders yesterday. Dead are 24-year-old Jermaine Mott, otherwise called Boy Boy, of Spanish Town Road in Kingston 11, and 20-year-old Romaine Atkinson of Tawari Crescent, Kingston 13. No details were provided on the circumstances surrounding the murders. However, the police said while conducting patrols in the area around 7 a.m. today, they heard explosions and responded. On arrival, a group of armed men were seen, the police said. The police reportedly engaged the gunmen and managed to seize two firearms, one single-action 9mm pistol loaded with a magazine containing two 9mm rounds and one Glock 27 pistol, along with a magazine containing 8.40 cartridges. The gunmen, who were known to the police, allegedly fled the scene on foot. Evan and Mundell were later listed as wanted by the police. Additionally, lawmen have listed the following individuals who they believe can assist in the investigation as persons of interest: a man known only as Taliban, a man known only as Ozil, Ojengo Duane, Daniel Duane, otherwise called Dandan, and Daniel Atkinson, otherwise called Papa. The men are being asked to turn themselves into the Denham Town Criminal Investigations Branch, CIB, immediately. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of these men is also being asked to contact the Denham Town CIB at 876-948-6443, Crime Stop at 311, Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. Tourism worker houses to be ready for sale in January, says Bartlett. Tourism workers are expected to, as of early next year, have the opportunity to apply for ownership of the 754 housing units which are being constructed in Rhine Park, St. James, under the Ministry of Tourism's $1 billion Resort Squatter Settlements Upgrade Program. Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett has indicated that already 50 of the units have been completed. The government is currently undertaking the construction of 754 affordable housing units in Rhine Park, St. James, for tourism workers. More than 50 of the units have been completed, and the sales will commence in January 2021, says Bartlett. He was addressing workers on the Sangster and Norman Manley international airports during their annual appreciation breakfast recently. The event, which was organized by the Jamaica Tourist Board, JTB, was held virtually as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. As the industry grows, it has been a priority of mine to ensure that tourism workers benefit fully from the value chain. It is engulfed in my three-pronged worker welfare program, which comprises a pension scheme, housing, and training, stated Bartlett. He added that 535 households are to be regularized in the Grange Pen community of St. James through land titling and infrastructure upgrades under the Ministry of Tourism's Resort Squatter Settlements Upgrade Program. 87 new COVID-19 cases in Jamaica, no new deaths. Jamaica recorded 87 new COVID-19 cases on Friday, according to the Ministry of Health and Wellness. There were no deaths linked to the respiratory illness on Friday, resulting in the number of persons dying from the coronavirus remaining at 294. Of note, the deaths of two COVID-19 patients are under investigation, while the death of another patient has been classified as coincidental. The 87 newly confirmed COVID-19 cases bring the total number of cases on record for the island to 12,684. Recoveries increased by 144, bringing total recoveries to 9,881. Of the newly confirmed cases, 55 are females and 32 are males, with ages ranging from 74 days to 84 years. The cases were recorded in Kingston and St. Andrew, 20, St. Catherine 16, Westmoreland 10, St. James 10, Trelawney 9, St. Anne 7, Manchester 5, Portland 3, St. Mary 3, St. Elizabeth 2, Clarendon 1, and St. Thomas 1. There are 8 moderately ill patients and 9 critically ill patients among the 2,352 active cases now under observation in Jamaica. Airport employee charged with $2 billion cocaine seizure granted bail. The airport employee, who was arrested and charged in connection to the over $2 billion worth of cocaine that was seized at the Norman Mann International Airport, NMIA, earlier this month, has been granted bail. Kimberly Oils, a 38-year-old resident of Patrick City, St. Andrew, appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Wednesday. He has been charged with possession of cocaine, dealing in cocaine, attempting to export cocaine, trafficking cocaine, and conspiracy to export cocaine. Following a successful bail application by his attorneys, Oils was granted bail in the sum of $1 million. The case is to be mentioned again on February 9 of next year. Police had reported that the cocaine seizure, worth just over $2 billion, was one of the largest drug busts made for the year and over the country's crime-fighting history. According to the Narcotics Police, on Thursday, December 10, a team of officers was conducting operations at the airport as part of the constabulary's operational search for the Christmas season when the discovery was made. Reports are that, about 9:45 a.m., the team searched the vehicle belonging to the airport employee and 239 packages of cocaine were allegedly found. He was arrested and subsequently charged. Investigations later revealed that the drugs weighing 611 pounds or 278 kilograms was destined for the United States of America, where the going rate is US $50,000 per kilogram. More than 100 arrested on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day for breaches of Disaster Risk Management Act. The number of persons arrested on Christmas Eve and Christmas Day for breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act has reportedly increased to more than 100. The arrests were for being part of illegal gatherings or for being in public after the curfew had started. 48 people were arrested for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act in Maypen, Clarendon.
A little bit fun. I know plenty. Thou shall not breach the curfew in Maypen. No. Chuck a work.
Some of those who were seen in public after the 10 p.m. curfew on Christmas Eve said they were unable to get transportation home. In St. Catherine, 12 were held after the police raided illegal parties in Linstead and Spanish Town. The St. Catherine North Police say 5 sound systems and an assortment of liquor were seized. In St. Elizabeth, 20 patrons at an illegal party were detained. The police were patrolling the communities of Brompton and Crawford when they came upon the party at Galleon Beach on Christmas Eve. Some of the patrons fled, but the police took 20 of them, as well as the 2 promoters, into custody. They were taken to the Black River Police Station and charged with breaching the Disaster Risk Management Act. Deputy Superintendent Narda Sims, head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, said that the 2 promoters have also been charged with not having an entertainment permit and breaching the Noise Abatement Act. The police confirmed on Friday night that there had been other incidents and they would provide details in due course. JBN, we keep you informed. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave us a comment and click the notification bell to receive our daily news items.